Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you Sanskrit vowels. Okay, listen here, children. Swaraksharani. Swaraksharani means Sanskrit vowels. In Tamil we say Samaskrita உயிரெழுத்துக்கள். A, A, I, E, U, U, R, R, L, A, I, O, Au, Ah. Okay, children, now you have to repeat after. Okay, A, A, E, E, O, O, R, R, L, A, I, O, Au, Aha. Thank you, children. Meet you all in another session. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.